my mum wrote it for the marae Tawhiti-a-Maru, which is in Wairoa. It's a marae that comes under the manaakitanga or auspices of the Catholic Church. It's a marae tuturu, in that the maru of Tawhiti-a-Maru is a tūpuna from the Wairoa district. And in the waiata, Mum's attempted to say all those things about maru, about the what he was quite famous for in his time, which was to be a provider of kai for his whānau. And so that waiata is about all the manu that he was renowned for being able to provide as, kai for his whānau.